Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're watching this video, chances are you're thinking about installing solar panels for your home or business. Or maybe you've already received a few quotations from solar companies, but you're still feeling a bit confused. And that's completely understandable, because going solar isn't a small purchase. It's a significant investment, often running into lakhs of rupees. One wrong decision at this stage can lead to a whole host of problems. You could end up with the wrong system size, suffer from poor quality installation, fall for fake subsidy promises, choose a bad inverter, and ultimately, see very low savings on your electricity bill. So today, I want to introduce you to something very important. It's a platform created to solve exactly these problems, solartoall.com. Let's be honest for a moment. Most of us want to install solar for one primary reason, to reduce our soaring electricity bills. But the moment you start your research, you're hit with a wave of confusion. On-grid or hybrid? Do I need a battery or not? Which brand of panels and inverters is the best? How much subsidy can I actually get, and is it real? And why do the quotations from different companies vary so much? That is the service solartoall.com provides. We help homeowners and business owners choose the correct solar system size for their needs. Find trusted and reliable installers in their area, and set accurate cost expectations. We also bring clarity to the often confusing topics of government subsidies and net metering. We do all of this without any bias, without pushing any single company or brand. Our only goal is to provide honest, straightforward solar guidance. Now let me share some of the biggest mistakes people make when they decide to go solar. By understanding these, you can avoid them. Mistake number 1. Buying based on the lowest price. It's tempting, I know. But cheap solar can be the most expensive mistake you make. It often means you're getting low-quality panels with poor efficiency, a weak mounting structure that might not withstand harsh weather, and unsafe wiring that could be a fire hazard. Plus, companies offering suspiciously low prices often provide terrible after-sales service. A solar system is a 25-year asset. Quality and reliability matter far more than a small upfront discount. Mistake number 2 is choosing the wrong system size. This is incredibly common. Many people install a system that's too small, and then they're disappointed when their electricity bill savings are lower than they expected. On the other hand, some people are convinced to install a system that's too large for their needs, leading to an unnecessarily high initial investment. The correct sizing should be a careful calculation based on your average monthly bill, the available space on your roof, your daily appliance usage, and even your future plans, like buying an electric vehicle. The third major mistake is not checking the credibility of the installer. This is a critical point that many people overlook. The skill and professionalism of the installation company matter even more than the brand of the solar panels you choose. A bad installation can lead to all sorts of nightmares, like roof leakages, increased fire risk, frequent inverter breakdowns, and long delays in getting your net metering connection approved and activated. And finally, mistake number 4, confusion about subsidies and government approvals. Many people think the subsidy is an automatic process that the company will handle. But the reality is that receiving a subsidy depends on a strict process. It involves applying on the correct government portal, choosing a vendor who is officially approved on that list, submitting all the right documentation, and ensuring the net metering process is completed successfully. It can be complicated, and solartoall.com helps explain these steps clearly so you know exactly what to expect. So, with all these potential pitfalls, how does solartoall.com actually help you? Let me walk you through this simple process. Step 1. You visit the website, solartoall.com. Right on the homepage, you will find a simple and user-friendly solar recommendation form. It just asks for some basic information: your location, your average monthly electricity bill, your roof type, and your general budget preferences. Step 2. You get a correct system suggestion. Based on the information you provide about your bill and energy usage, our platform instantly recommends the ideal system size for you, whether it's a 2 kilowatt, 3 kilowatt, or 5 kilowatt system. We also provide an estimate of the monthly electricity generation you can expect, the approximate savings on your bill, and the payback period for your investment. This ensures you don't overpay for a system you don't need or underinstall and be left disappointed. Step 3 is trusted installer support. We believe in quality workmanship. That's why we connect you only with reliable and vetted solar installers in your region. This simple step helps you avoid scams, poor quality installations, and the frustration of dealing with unprofessional companies. And step 4 is getting clear answers to all your doubts. Through our platform, you can ask all the specific questions you have on your mind. Questions like, should I get a battery backup? Is a hybrid system really worth the extra cost? Which brand of inverter is known to last longer? What is the realistic timeline for net metering in my area? In short, solartoall.com becomes your trusted solar advisor, holding your hand through the entire process. Our vision here at solartoall.com is simple. We want to make solar adoption easy, transparent, and safe for everyone. Solar energy is the future, there's no doubt about it. States like Kerala and all of India have immense potential to harness the power of the sun. But for this to happen, customers deserve honest, clear guidance before they invest their hard-earned money. Our mission is to become the most trusted solar knowledge and advisory platform in the country, empowering you to make the best choice. So, if you're planning to install a solar power system, my advice is this: don't rush. Don't blindly trust the first quotation you receive. Before you invest lakhs of your money, take a small but crucial step. Visit solartoall.com. Fill out the free solar recommendation form on the website. Get the right information, understand your options, and take the right decision with confidence. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with friends or family who are considering solar, and subscribe to our channel for more useful content. And if you have any solar-related doubts, please drop them in the comments below. We'd be happy to help. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.